Hi there, I am Yassir Lamsadar, and I do officially welcome you to the second part of AD problem solving course. So today I want to talk to you about the history of AD, purpose of AD, why AD is used, and when to use AD. Well, as I explained in the first part, AD is a structured team-oriented problem-solving approach. AD is short for 8 disciplines, which are 8 distinct steps of a systematic process for solving problems. It integrates all necessary steps for the organizational processing of a compliant with the methodical element for problem solving. Let's get started now by the history of AD. During the Second World War, the United States government was talking about a process which is used to solve military problems with a standard. Then, the US government implemented the AD method for the first time. The standard which describes the AD was named Military Standard 1920 Corrective Action and Disposition System for Non-Conforming Material. After that, the Ford Motor Company in 1970 used the AD method in their production line and in their decisions making to face problems and solve them permanently. Then, in 1987, the Ford Motor Company set up a course called Team-Oriented Problem Solving. This course was designed to eliminate recurring problems in an effective way. In the late 1990s, Ford developed a revised version of the AD problem-solving process that they call Global AD, which is the current global standard for Ford and many other companies in the automotive industry. After using this method by Ford Motor Company, this method was popularized worldwide. AD has become very popular among manufacturers because it's effective and reasonably easy to teach. The AD method is a necessary, comprehensive, and structured approach to problem solving in the automotive assembly and production line. The AD problem solving process has been employed significantly outside the auto industry as a part of lean initiatives and continuous improvement processes. It's employed extensively in the food manufacturing, healthcare, and high-tech industries. Let's move now to the purpose of AD. The purpose of AD methodology is to identify, correct, and eliminate recurring problems, making it useful in product and process improvement. The goal of AD problem solving is to contain and solve the primary root causes of a problem and state corrective actions for problem solving. AD provides a framework for undertaking the initial analysis to get the right data and information, pilot testing, and final execution of a solution. This is done through determination of immediate measures to solve problems, sustainable and systematic processing of problems, lessons learned to be compared with similar products and processes, and finally, standard of documentation of problem-solving process. Now, we will discover together the AD problem-solving application area. So, when AD is used. The AD problem-solving process is typically required in the following cases. First case, customer complaints are received. So in that case, we need to implement the intermediate actions that will protect the customer in order to avoid the recurrence. Second case, safety issue has been discovered. Third case, warranty concerns have indicated greater than expected failure rates. And last cases, internal rejects, waste, scrap, poor performance, or test failure are present at an acceptable level. So those are basically all cases that require the application of AD problem solving. AD has grown to be one of the most popular problem-solving methodology used for manufacturing, assembly, and services around the globe. Well, let's talk now about the reasons why the AD discipline of problem solving may be a good fit for each company. Why AD is used. AD problem-solving approach used basically to solve whatever problems might arise at various stages in the production process. When properly applied, we can expect the following benefits. First benefit, improved team-oriented problem-solving skills rather than reliance on the individual. It means that the AD problem solving predicated on team approach. Let's say team of people with product and process knowledge, skills in the various technical disciplines. Second benefit, increased familiarity with a structure for problem solving. Next benefit, creation and expansion of database of past failures and lessons learned to prevent problems in the future. Next benefit, improved effectiveness and efficiency at problem solving. Regarding efficiency, the AD model identifies causes that can negatively impact efficiency and productivity so that business operate to their fullest potential. Also, a practical understanding of root cause analysis. It then enables you to identify the core of the problem so that an effective solution can be found and repetitions of the issue are avoided. Next benefit, improved skills for implementing corrective action. Also, better ability to identify necessary systemic changes and subsequent inputs for change. Next benefit, increases successful outcomes. Using a proven framework like AD problem solving increases the likelihood that an issue will be solved successfully and for the long term. Containment. The A-discipline problem-solving approach allows you to first contain the issue at its cause so that its negative effects are mitigated. Profitability. Removing problems means that operations run more smoothly and there are fewer customer refunds, both of which contribute to greater profitability. AD problem solving is a method developed at Ford Motor Company used to approach and resolve problems, typically employed by engineers or other professionals focused on product and process improvement. Summary. The strength of the AD methodology is its ability to identify, correct, and permanently eliminate recurring problems in an ongoing system by applying a quick fix and then addressing the root cause of the problem. The AD model is designed to solve specific problems that arise. More emphasis is placed on containing the problem than in most other frameworks. The idea is to implement intermediate actions that will protect the customer from the problem until a permanent solution can be developed and implemented. AD was created to represent the best practices in problem solving. When performed correctly, this methodology not only improves the quality and reliability of your products, but also prepares your engineering team for future problems. Now then, during the third part of this AD problem solving course, I will take you on a deep journey through the main steps of AD. Thanks for watching. Bear in mind that the more you focus on solution, the more solution you will find. I'll speak to you soon.